Namaste friends, welcome to my channel. Let's learn and grow. So today we are learning to make sabudana kheer. We'll need 1 liter of milk, soaked sabudana, dry fruits, kesar strings soaked in hot milk. I am using jaggery powder here. So I have boiled the milk first. Now add almonds, kesar milk, and sabudana. Stir occasionally. So I have cooked it for 3 to 4 minutes on medium flame. Now I am adding jaggery powder. You can add sugar as per your taste. I am adding 10 tablespoons of jaggery powder in it. After adding jaggery powder, cook it for more 5 minutes. Add elaichi powder at the end. Add rose water if you like, and after turn off the flame, add elaichi powder and serve it chilled. Thanks for watching. Namaste.